Looking for a truly flexible home in Cranston? Don't miss the open house at 178 Lippitt Avenue this Saturday, July 12th, from 10:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. This classic 3-bedroom, 2-bath cape sits on over 30,000 square feet of tree-lined land and includes a rare bonus, a second building with a private 1-bed suite, complete with a kitchen, full bath, and office nook. Inside the main home, you'll find hardwood floors, lots of natural light, a newer heating system, and a whole house generator for added peace of mind. There's plenty of room for parking, entertaining, and future potential. Stop by and see it for yourself. 178 Lippitt Avenue, Cranston. Call Kamil Sarji at 401-396-2888 for more info or to schedule a private tour.